about the climate change. Climate change, a global climate change, and a global crisis. Climate change is a pressing issue facing the world today. This presentation examines the causes, impacts, and potential solution to this global crisis with with a focus on its implementation for Australia also. So next to the next part. So overview of climate change. So there is a definition and something we all know about the climate change, but here I am giving you the definition. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature, weather pattern is permanently driven by human or some natural greenhouse gas or any other external issue. So key feature include rising global temperature, frequent and instant heat waves, sea level rise, changes in a pattern of weather, and ocean acidification. So cause of climate change. So greenhouse gas emission. This is the most crucial things of climate change. So here is it. The primary cause of climate change is the emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, sodium, methane, nitrogen oxide, and so on. These gases trap the heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. Fossil fuel. Burning fossil fuel, coal, oil, natural gas also produce greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, sodium oxide that causes acid rain. So and industrial activity, deforestation, and forest play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide because when one forest one tree absorbs carbon dioxide, automatically reduce the temperature because carbon dioxide is so hot. So deforestation for agriculture, logging, and urbanization reduce the earth capacity to remove carbon from the atmosphere. So greenhouse emission gas in 41. It is the total overview of our greenhouse gases. 41% from energy, the energy sector, generation, transportation, industrial process. 24% is agriculture, and 21% is industry, and 14% is transportation. So impact of climate change worldwide: rising sea levels, melting glaciers and ice sheets, and due to rising sea levels, setting coastal coasts and infrastructure. Extreme heat wave. Heat wave is a very crucial things, important things for nowadays because we are facing heat waves again and again. In Australia, we get continuously heat waves. Climate change influence extreme heat waves such as hurricanes, floods, heat waves causing whisper damage and disaster. Diversity loss. Climate change set diversity by because there is some temperature, male and some temperature in animals. If the temperature is above 25 degrees Celsius, there should be born a male, and if 20 is less than 20 degrees Celsius, there is a female. So if the temperature is high, there is always there is no diversity there. So climate change in Australia. High temperature. Australia is experiencing significant temperature increase exceeding the global extreme heat events. Heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense, posing this to human health and ecosystem. Droughts and bushfire. Climate change contributes to making Australia more vulnerable to wildfires. Sea level rise. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities, infrastructure, and ecosystem along Australia coast. So rising temperature and heat waves. Heat waves. Australia has experienced a significant increase in the frequent and intensity of heat waves. These extreme heat waves pose a health risk, particularly for vulnerable populations. Bushfires, flood condition, and high temperature increase the risk of wildfires, leading to devastating consequences of communities and the important flooding. While are common, and climate change is also increasing the risk of extreme rainfall of flooding events of certain regions. Oh, threats to diversity and ecosystem: coral bleaching, habitat loss, species extinct. So rising ocean temperature cause coral bleaching and shrinking the health of the survival of Great Barrier Reef, and corals are also filter the ocean water. So habitat loss. Climate change impact habitat such as forest, further grasslands leading to loss of species and diversity. And the species extinct. Climate change contributes the extinction of vulnerable species affecting ecosystem and diverse biodiversity. So strategies for mitigation and adaptation. Mitigation, reducing greenhouse gas emissions through the balanced resources, energy efficiency, and sustainable process. Adaptation, we just adapt how to handle residential growth, flood disease, and heat wave, and parapets. Carbon substitution, increasing carbon absorption through reforestation, afforestation, and sustainable and land management practices. Call to action, individual and collective responsibility. Addressing climate change requires a collective effort from individuals, governments, and businesses. We can all contribute to mitigating the impacts of climate change by making sustainable choices in our daily lives and advocating policies and that promote climate change, climate action. Thank you all. If there is any question.